Good afternoon, and thank you all for being here. 2 hours ago, the state of Texas filed a lawsuit against the U.S. Department of Education and the Department of Justice regarding their directives that open up all school bathrooms to people of both sexes. We're taking this action to protect Harold Independent School District, which on Monday night fulfilled a responsibility to their community by adopting a bathroom policy that puts the safety of their students first. Unfortunately, the policy placed them at odds with those federal directives which were handed down earlier this month. That means the district is in the crosshairs of the Obama administration, which has maintained it will punish anyone who doesn't comply with their orders. Harold ISD is now facing legal action or the loss of school funding, all for enacting a policy to protect their students. It is worth mentioning that the board also included accommodations for special circumstances on a case-by-case basis. Though the board is in Texas, this is obviously a case of national interest, as we are being joined by several other states, including Alabama, Arizona, Georgia, Louisiana, Maine, Oklahoma, Tennessee, Utah, West Virginia, and Wisconsin. It represents just the latest example of the current administration's attempts to accomplish by executive fiat what they couldn't accomplish democratically in Congress. Simply put, the Obama administration is creating new law outside the bounds of the Constitution, making the kind of changes only Congress can make. In fact, some members of Congress have attempted to make that sort of legal change numerous times as early as 1974 and as recently as 2015. Each time they failed. So, just as they did with issues like immigration, the Obama administration has decided to simply exclude Congress entirely. By forcing through his policies by executive action, President Obama has excluded the voice of the people. We stand today to ensure that those voices are heard. Make no mistake, this is no reinterpretation of terms. It's an entire rewrite of law, and that is constitutionally the purview of Congress, not the President of the United States. Texas will continue to stand up to President Obama and his agencies whenever and wherever they attempt to circumvent the rule of law and ignore the voice of the people. I would like today to introduce the superintendent of Harold ISD, who is going to make a comment. David Thweet, thank you for being here. Please say a few words.
As someone who served in education for over 36 years, I know how important our duty is to protect the privacy, the safety, and the dignity of all students. That is why we adopted a policy that ensures every child's privacy is safeguarded in restrooms, locker rooms, and showers. The Obama administration is threatening to economically harm schools across the state by denying them millions of dollars for simply adopting common sense privacy protections for the children in our schools. The Obama administration is unlawfully intruding on local matters by imposing a one-size-fits-all decree for Texas schools. Washington's mandate doesn't fit our schools, so we are suing to keep the federal government out of our children's locker rooms and restrooms.
Thank you, David. So I want to also thank the lawyers that have been involved in putting this together. Obviously, it was a lot of work in a short period of time.